If you're using Patreon right now, there's a good chance you're feeling a little frustrated. Your page looks like every other creator's, with little room for real branding, customization, or ownership. You can't build a true community, you don't control the customer relationship, and worst of all, you're locked into a system that works more for them than for you. And once you start growing, these limitations get in the way of what you're trying to build. It's fine for basic memberships, but try selling a course, launching an app, or building a video library, and you'll hit the wall fast. That's exactly why creators are switching to platforms that give them more control, more flexibility, and more room to scale. I'm going to walk you through 5 platforms built for creators who want to scale beyond the basics. Each one solves a different need. So whether you're focused on video, community, merch, or music, you'll find a platform that's purpose-built for you. Let's kick things off with our best for beginners pick, Ko-Fi. If you're just starting out and want the simplest possible way to get paid by your audience, Ko-Fi is a great place to take the first step towards monetization. Here's why Ko-Fi stands out. First, 0 platform fees on one-and-done donations. If someone tips you $5, you get the full $5, minus just the payment processing fee you find everywhere. Compare that to Patreon's 5 to 10% platform cut, and the difference adds up fast. But more importantly, Ko-Fi gives you more flexibility. You can accept tips, sell digital products, offer commission, even embed your Ko-Fi page directly on your own website. Plus, it integrates with YouTube and Twitch, so you can get donation alerts on your streams to inspire even more donations. Now, Ko-Fi is not perfect. You can't build a full membership site, and the customization options are pretty limited. Plus, there's no mobile app options, despite teasing one as long as 5 years ago. But if you want to test monetization without jumping through a ton of hoops, Ko-Fi is a great fit. You can literally get set up in 5 minutes and start accepting support right away. But what if you're beyond that beginner phase and your income relies heavily on merch? Then it's time to talk about a platform that is made specifically for you and your use case. Fourth Wall earns our pick for best for merchandise and physical products. Here's why. Fourth Wall comes with a built-in print-on-demand service. That means you can launch branded t-shirts, mugs, and other merch without ever buying inventory upfront. To sweeten the deal, they charge 0% platform fees on merch sales. According to their pricing page, they make money by negotiating discounts with their manufacturing partners. So you keep everything after production costs, which vary depending on what the product is. They also give you a no-code website builder, so you can create a custom storefront that matches your brand. And when it comes to digital products, they take 3% for one-time sales and 5% for recurring subscriptions at the time of filming. That said, there are a few caveats. Shipping fees can be pretty high, which might turn away some customers. And if you want to scale beyond basic merch, the platform lacks a few advanced features you might need later. But if your fans are consistently asking, where can I get your merch? Fourth Wall helps you turn that demand into revenue. But now maybe your merch isn't shirts and mugs, it's music, like vinyl, CDs, downloads. If you're an artist looking to sell music directly to fans, the next platform is made for you. It's the winner of our Best for Musicians award, Bandcamp. If you choose the Bandcamp Pro plan, you can use batch uploads, ad-free video hosting, and private streams to monetize your music. And according to the Bandcamp for Artists page, when you join Bandcamp, you not only get your own customizable direct-to-fan store, you become part of a larger marketplace that brings you new fans. When you join Bandcamp, you not only get your own customizable direct-to-fan store, you become part of a larger marketplace that brings you new fans, which can be good or bad depending on whether you want to be part of a marketplace or have your own shop. Compared to Patreon and other creator platforms, though, Bandcamp is missing some key tools for automation, customization, and integrations, making it harder to build a branded experience, set up recurring revenue, or connect with your audience beyond the storefront. All of that aside, Bandcamp is a pretty well-known platform in the music scene. So if you don't want your own branded site, it is still worth checking out. Now let's say your biggest asset isn't merch or content, it's community. If your audience shows up for the conversation and connection, this platform might be exactly what you need. Mighty Networks wins the award for Best for Text-Based Community Builders. You can create discussion spaces, host live events, build personalized courses, and even set up different membership tiers with different access levels. It's like having your own private social network where you control everything. One of the coolest features is that Mighty Networks uses AI to connect members with each other based on their interests. And better connection means higher retention and more word-of-mouth growth. But Mighty Networks isn't for everyone. If you just want something simple, this might be overkill. Some reviews say it's hard to host multiple courses because of how the platform sets up their spaces. And if you want both a comprehensive video catalog and community features, there are platforms that excel at both instead of forcing you to choose. Most important to note though, if you want apps, get ready to pay up. As of filming, their white label apps cost $2,000 a month with a 2-year commitment. All that said though, if community is your competitive advantage, Mighty Networks could be a solid choice. So what if none of these options fit? Because your business is built around video and you need a great catalog to show off your content. Finally, we get to the platform that wins Best All-in-One Video Platform, and that platform is Uscreen. Now, full disclosure, yes, this is the Uscreen channel, but I'm going to give you the honest breakdown of when using the platform makes sense and when it doesn't. If your business is built around video, whether it's fitness, education, entertainment, or live streaming, Uscreen gives you the tools to scale beyond Patreon-level support and turns your content into a full-fledged membership business. And with Uscreen, you can monetize your content in a couple interesting ways. Subscriptions are the most popular, but there's also one-time sales, rentals, and bundles. Plus, your community lives alongside an intuitive catalog of content, so members can engage with each other and your videos seamlessly. And I can't forget to mention the beautiful apps for mobile and TV devices, all built and maintained for you by our in-house app team. But you know what really sets Uscreen apart? You own everything. Your content, your customer data, your branding, your app developer accounts. When someone signs up, they're joining your platform, not ours. That said, Uscreen isn't for everyone. If you're just starting out and want a virtual tip jar, a simpler platform like Ko-Fi might make more sense. And if video isn't the core of your offer, you'll probably want to use a platform built for text, audio, or community-first content. But if you are ready to stop renting space on someone else's platform and own your business, Uscreen is the difference between a side hustle and a scalable video brand. If you're thinking about making the switch from Patreon to Uscreen, we put together a full side-by-side breakdown so you can see exactly what's different, what you'll gain, and how Uscreen can level up your business. Check it out at the link in the description, and I'll see you next time.